Can you get 10 out of 10 on this quiz? Ready? Let's go! What type of pasta is long and thin? Spaghetti, penne, or ravioli? The answer is spaghetti. Which fruit is known for being yellow and sweet? Lemon, banana, or mango? And yes, it's banana. Which vegetable is often pickled and used in sushi rolls? Cucumber, radish, or carrot? Cucumber. Very good. What is the primary ingredient in a bechamel sauce? Butter, flour, or milk? Did you get that one right? It's milk. What type of beans are typically used in chili? Kidney beans, lentils, or peas? Kidney beans. Well done. Before we continue, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you never miss out on our daily quiz challenges. What type of bread is used in a Cuban sandwich? Baguette, Cuban bread, or pita? It's Cuban bread. Which country is known for producing champagne? Spain, Italy, or France? France. You nailed it. What is the main ingredient in a caprese salad? Mozzarella, ricotta, or cheddar? Mozzarella it is! You're on fire! What kind of meat is traditionally used in a gyro? Chicken, lamb, or beef? It's lamb! You crushed it! Last question. Don't forget to let me know your score in the comments below. Which sauce is typically used on Eggs Benedict? Hollandaise, Béarnaise, or soy sauce? You're right, it's Hollandaise. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to check out these quizzes that just popped up on the screen.